Hey everyone, Craig from Flying Wheels in Danville, New Hampshire. Today I'm in a 2015 Toyota Tundra and I'm resetting the maintenance required light. This process will work from all years Toyota Tundra and Sequoia 2000 to 2015. First, what you want to do is get to trip A, where it says odometer. You want that to say trip A. So push here one time, trip A. Once you're on trip A, you will turn the key off, and then you're going to want to hold the tripometer while you turn the key to position 2. Do not start it. Now I'm going to turn the key to position 2 while holding the trip odometer button. This is typically when it says maintenance required. Resetting maintenance data, or you'll see 4 zeros, and now you are reset. It's that simple. That's how you change it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe to watch more how-tos and then also some fun car videos. Thanks again.